Pitchlink is a single-point, consolidated pitching platform that allows you to make a sales pitch to a customer without your having to be there in person. You construct sales pitches using your sales collaterals, presentations, your voice and video. You then send a sales pitch as a link to customers who can view the entire sales pitch at their convenience. The first step is to claim your own domain on Pitchlink so that your organization can have its own sales pitching space. To check if your preferred domain name is available, type it in the domain name field on the sign up page. If the name is available, you can proceed to fill in other details of your organization and yourself. Set a password to secure your access to your Pitchlink domain. Upload a profile picture of yourself. Fill in other business details. Add a short bio. You can also link your LinkedIn profile. These details help to personalize your sales pitches to customers. When pitches are viewed by recipients, they see your profile picture along with your bio and other details. Upload your company logo. This will also be visible to your customers when they view the pitch. Enter other details of your company such as website, phone numbers and postal address. Also, add a short company profile that will help to sell your USPs to customers. Complete the registration process. Once you have registered, log in into your own domain on Pitchlink. The first step is to upload all your sales and marketing collaterals. Open the content section. Click Manage Content. Click Upload. The contents uploading interface has a simple drag and drop facility that allows you to keep adding content and upload in batches of 5. You can keep adding more files. Files that you use for your sales pitch can be video, audio, images, PowerPoint presentations, text or PDF. Once files are uploaded, you can organize them to make them easier to find. You can create folders to put your files into. Click Manage Folders. A few default folders are already created for you. If you need to make custom folders, click Create. Type the folder name and click Create. All files can be tagged, organized into folders and described. This makes them easy to find. Click the Edit button. Enter a description for the file. This will be visible to the viewer when they view the pitch. You can now place the content in a folder. From the drop-down, select a pre-made folder or a folder created by you. You can now add tags. You can add several tags at one go. Type in each tag and a comma to separate it from the next. Click Add to add the tags. Once done, click Done. If you have a sales team, you can onboard them all onto the platform so that all team members can send sales pitches. To add team members, click Team. Click Add Member. Enter their name, mail ID and other details. Set a password for the team member to complete their registration. A mail is sent to your team member to help them start using the platform. If you have uploaded content, you can start constructing your first sales pitch. A pitch is a story strung together with several elements, each with a specific communication. We recommend you start by mapping out a structure that describes the communication at various stages of the pitch. Define the purpose of the first element. For example, you could start with an introduction to your company. Add another element to define the next stage. The introduction could be followed by a need definition, which explains why your product is required. Then you would follow up by need fulfillment. Add more elements and define them similarly to construct a flow of the pitch story. We can rearrange the structure of the story easily by dragging and repositioning the elements. We can also add context to the narrative using context bridges. These explain the purpose of other elements, usually ones that precede or follow it. You can use slides or record your voice to create context bridges while creating the pitch, which comes next. Once done, click Next. Fill in the basic details that will help you to organize and categorize your pitch. We can now fill in the descriptive map elements with the appropriate content. The files we have uploaded are now available to create the actual pitch. Drag and drop the matching relevant content into the map elements. For example, if you have an introduction video, drag it into the introduction element. Similarly, drag other relevant content into the appropriate elements to create your pitch. Once elements have been added to a pitch, these will appear in the same order when the customer views it. You can then add other resources which will serve as supporting documents. These will not appear in your pitch flow, but the customer can access them for viewing. Technical specifications, price lists, engineering drawings, and floor plans are examples of support documents, since these need not be a part of your main pitch, but are certainly necessary to give the customer the whole picture. While adding resources, you will have to store them under one of the available folders. You can take feedback from the client through a discovery form. These questionnaires can be made separately and stored. To complete the pitch, you simply add a pre-made discovery form. Now you can send the sales pitch to your prospects and customers as a link in a mail. Click Pitches. To send a particular pitch to a customer, click its Send button. Enter all details of the recipient. Add a personalized message to acquaint the receiver with your product and your pitch. Send the email. Customers can view the pitch at their convenience without having to download any file. They open the sales pitch by clicking on the link in the mail they receive. The sales pitch is presented as a flow of individual elements. Videos and audio recordings play out. Once they reach the end, the next element loads automatically. For PowerPoint presentation, the viewer clicks to proceed through the slides. To load the next element in the pitch flow, they simply click the icon on the flow line. The customer can view supporting documents as well. The More Documents button opens the resource panel. Folders which have resource documents are listed. The customer chooses a folder and then a file to view it. Customers can ask questions, receive replies, and engage in discussions within the platform. For each element, a discussional channel allows all stakeholders to interact, query, and provide feedback. To start a conversation on any element, the client clicks the Conversation button. The client types in her query and clicks Submit. The sales team members can also join in and add their replies to queries. Customers too can share the pitch with their team members, and all of them can interact within the same sales pitch. The Share this pitch button opens a mailing interface. The customer adds details for the team member and sends the mail. A pitch link is sent out to the team member, who can now click the link and view the pitch in the same way. All such mails are tracked and threaded within Pitchlink. The Mail Thread button opens a view of all mails exchanged within the system. This makes it easy to track engagement. A robust analytics module lets you view all engagement with your sales pitch at an overview as well as detailed granular level. There are several ways to view as well as access the analytics panel. Engagement can be viewed for a particular team member who has sent pitches. Engagement can be viewed also for a particular organization to whom pitches have been sent. You can see who within the organization has opened the pitches. Each element of the pitch is shown as a column header. You can see who has viewed which elements of the pitch and how many times. An empty cell means this prospect has not viewed this element. If there are comments on any element of the pitch, the count is displayed. Details of viewing or engagement can be accessed from a pop-up panel. The Comments tab shows the comments on this element. If a customer has not opened a pitch, you can decide to resend the pitch to her. The Resend button is available right within the Analytics dashboard. Pitchlink is a unified and comprehensive sales pitching platform that is capable of supporting the entire seller-buyer interaction. Pitchlink is a single-point, consolidated pitching platform that takes away the pain of sales pitching.